How's it going, YouTube? So Scoutcrafter's key rack, key shelf challenge is coming up, and I didn't really need another key rack because I already got one. Well, this is ex-girlfriend's. I don't really want that, but these two I actually use. This was for disting, which made saws and stuff like that, and it's just a rusty thing, not originally used for keys, but let's go. Got some sort of idea. I'm gonna start off with this, and you're probably thinking, what does that have to do with a key rack? But so I went and bought the cheapest set of screwdrivers I could find. So these are $3 at Harbor Freight. Nothing special. 6-piece. I'm gonna cut the shafts off. I'm gonna make them all the same length, which I guess would be this. And I'm gonna use them as the hooks. And that's about as far as I've gotten. Got some metal pole I might run them through, but that's just gonna be kind of plain. I want something on the top. I'll figure it out as I go. So here we are. Here's this pack of screwdrivers. Don't quite look as good as they did before. Alright, so here's my plan. I cut off all the tips, just the tip, and got this scrap piece of wood I had laying around. I ain't making it too fancy. Drilled out some 40-degree angled holes. I'm going to glue the bits in like that. And here's the catch. Decided to use these after thinking about it. I'm gonna put all of them in there. It's gonna look like a bent screwdriver going through wood. I'm gonna make the piece of wood look better too. I'm gonna try to, at least. Got 2 holes to hang it up with. And kind of creative. I don't know if it's gonna look as good as I thought, but I'll get back with you. I guess next I gotta do some sanding and some gluing. Hoping the glue will work. Alright, I'm sanding it down. We'll sand all the edges down with my new sander I got. Make sure no sharp corners. Not sure if I'm gonna paint it or stain it yet, but we'll see. Alright, got the edges sanded down. Nice and smooth. I guess since this is a Scoutcrafter project, we gotta go with gun stock. Alright, I'm finished. Let's see. How's this look? Kind of Christmas colors. And I faced the screwdrivers with the Pittsburgh logo on the back, because I'm not proud of that ever. And it holds the keys just fine. I used, I'll show you. I actually tested several different kinds of glues to see which ones worked best with the metal. Went with Gorilla Glue Clear. It's gonna work just fine. If you wanted to make one like this, hex keys would work good too. Although it would look better if they were all the same size hex key. But different ones would work. Let me know what you think.